Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. There are a lot of reasons why you might need to recover a Google Sheet. Maybe you accidentally trashed it. Maybe someone on your team deleted it. Maybe you removed it from Google Drive. But here's the key. If it was deleted within the last 30 days, you can recover it. Let me show you how. First, how sheets get trashed. Inside your Google Sheet, if you go to File, Move to Trash, your sheet gets sent to the trash. Now here's where people get confused. If you open that file again while it's in the trash, you may see options like Remove from Trash. Go to Sheet's home screen. If you want to keep the sheet, you must choose Remove from Trash. Otherwise, it will stay scheduled for deletion. How to recover a deleted Google Sheet. If you already trashed it and closed it, here's what to do. Go to drive.google.com. On the left-hand menu, you'll see options like Home, Activity. Scroll down. Under Spam and above Storage, you'll see Trash. Click on Trash. Now you'll see a list of everything that has been deleted, and these files will automatically be permanently deleted after 30 days. Find the Google Sheet you want to recover. Restore the file. There are two ways to restore it. Option 1. Click the three dots, More Actions, on the right side of the file. Select Restore. Option 2. Click the file so it's highlighted in blue. At the top, next to the X, you'll see. Once selected, there's a small restore icon, looks like a rewind arrow. Click Restore from Trash. Either way works. Confirm the file location. After restoring, you can click the three dots again and select Show File Location. This shows you exactly where the file lives in your Google Drive. Click into that folder. Open your Google Sheet, and it's fully restored. Important reminder, you only have 30 days. After that, the file is permanently deleted, unless you're working in a managed Google Workspace account with admin recovery options. So if you notice something missing, check the trash immediately. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets than ever before, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I'm creating a ton more tutorials, tips, tricks, automations, and walkthroughs. Ask your questions down in the comments, and I might answer them in a future video. And right now, one of these videos on screen is your next Google Sheets breakthrough. I'll see you there.